Here's a certified 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Experience it for yourself today.
We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.